Hello everybody. So in today's video I was taking a stroll, so I thought why not vlog the experience. I'll be going to Unwind Park and I will take you along with me. The sun is nice and bright. It's just a really nice weather right now and we are walking. There's some cars on the side over here parked. As we all know that walking has many benefits. One of them are that obviously you lose weight, you get fit, but also it's good mentally. It reduces your anxiety, depression. So if you guys are not into walking, I would recommend taking a stroll, especially when the weather is so nice like this. So that was the speed on this road, because wherever there's a park or a playground area for kids, they have the speed limit. So everybody has to follow it. Yeah, I couldn't wear my Apple Watch because I had to charge it, unfortunately. But my brother has his Apple Watch on. And we are tracking because we want to be healthy individuals. We want to change our lazy lifestyle, just sitting at home doing nothing. So we decided to wear Apple Watches, which are very good at keeping track of how much workout you do. Because there's an option, I believe, that says... Can I see your Apple Watch? I'll show them. So there's an option where it says, oh, there we go, outdoor activity, and you can just click that and it shows you your heartbeat. It shows how much kilometers you walked, and it shows you the minutes and how much calories you lost. So it's a great way, I believe, to keep track of how much weight you're losing and how much you need to lose. So there's some something called active calories, and there's something called just normal calories that you have. That's really neat. I'm missing my Apple Watch. I don't have my Apple Watch on me. And this is Unwind Park right now. We're entering Unwind Park. Very close to a neighborhood we just walked past. And I believe there are some slides and a playground over there on the side too. Kids are playing. And you all might be saying, why not go to the gym? Correct, gym is a great option, and whoever goes to the gym, well, good for you. You can manage that hard workout. But I just feel I prefer going on walks like this, where I do exercise, stay fit, and as well enjoy nature. And so weather is really nice too, and I don't think so you can do that in a gym where you're just in a closed facility. So this is my preference. Oh, this is a ground over here. We should probably play some cricket here or something. I'm just very close to nature, and I just love nature. It's just so peaceful. It just calms me down. It calms my anxiety down a lot. I think there's some chimes in the background. I can hear chimes, right? Those are chimes?
Yes.
Yes. I believe that's where the parking is. You can park your car if you want to come by car, but yeah, some people live further away and they prefer driving over here or transiting. Honestly, I love these parks, like Unwin Park. Why? Because there's such a nice walking track that you can walk on, and you can view beauty of nature at the same time. By the way, I have water with me because we don't want to be dehydrated. It's pretty sunny and there's a possible option of dehydration, and nobody wants to be dehydrated. We want to stay hydrated. Other than that, water is very good for weight loss in general, flushing out toxins that might be in your body, giving you healthier skin. Everybody wants healthy skin. Especially me, who has been with a lot of skin problems. I still notice them here and there. They come back, but this helps me with a lot of my skin problems. Oh my gosh, there's a kids park over here. Yep, kids should start young. In order to be healthy and fit, you need to start young. So there's a pool over here as well with no water. I think it's closed. The pool's closed. Yeah, the pool is not operating at the moment. This is our tiny playground. I think this playground's pretty big actually. Never mind. Yeah, they renovated it recently. So it's nice and big. It was a small playground before. But now it's pretty big. And there's more seating area. You can sit. Oh my gosh, I should respect nature. I'm stepping on leaves. I actually like the color theme of the playground. Don't you think? It's gray and red. I like that. Who could think of that? Genius. The mat is like squishy. What do you call this material? I don't know.
I don't know either.
It's like spongy kind of material. It's cool though, whatever material this is. Oh, for people who have a... Oh, that's cool. Yes, everybody knows what this is. That's neat. I don't even know what these thingies are. What are you supposed to stand on them? I'll ask somebody who can help me out. Dude. Oh my gosh, it's such a tiny slide. I don't even think so I'll fit into this. What is this? Should I try? My brother's giving me a no, don't try. I think I'm gonna get stuck. Yeah, actually fit. Oh my gosh, that was pretty... Oh my gosh, I just went on this right now. What is this? Are these swings? What is this? This is another form of technology over here. How are you...
People can sit and swing.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. How are you supposed to even use this? I need assistance on how to use this. We just walked past there. So current update, we're off the swing. Oh my gosh, the swing, I just like the material. It's not plastic, I would say. It's made, I think, out of steel or something. So that's nice. They don't have plastic slides there anymore. I would definitely want to try the swing, but I just didn't. So we're walking now. A crew of Uncle G's are currently sitting over there. Are we heading to the hut? We're gonna see what's in the hut. That hut over there. I have no idea what this place is. I think they're repairing something. Oh, I think they're doing training for little kids. Oh, is that baseball? Okay, okay. There's a secret tunnel over here of trees and bark. Or bark? No, branches and trees. Well, there you have it. That was our little stroll. Now we're heading back home and I'm gonna end this video now. Hope you liked the video. Please comment, share, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.